Working with data is hard. There are many great tools for visualizing complex data that offer simple ways to get started through dashboards and templates. But the moment users want to dig deeper or ask more questions, they have to go through menus and figure out how to map their question onto the available interface elements. Natural language interaction offers a compelling complement to existing direct manipulation data analysis and visualization tools. But the challenge with natural language is that it is often ambiguous. Even this simple query includes many ambiguous points. Is the user referring to New York City and Washington, D.C., or New York State and Washington State? And is this revenue in New York over all years versus revenue in Washington in 2012, or revenue in both cities in 2012? And how should the data be presented? A bar chart, a line chart, small multiples? To create an effective natural language interface, a system must be able to resolve these ambiguities. We propose a mixed initiative approach to addressing ambiguity. Sources of ambiguity are explicitly presented in the interface through ambiguity widgets. Through these widgets, the user can correct system decisions and explore data he may not have considered. Here, the user is interested in speed skating and ice hockey medals. He looks at the differences in gold, silver, and bronze medals and decides to explore silver medals. To the left are ambiguity widgets that help users correct presentation decisions made by the system. The user can aggregate the data across sport or show both country and sport data. He decides to color by sport instead of by country. He also tries out the two available grouping orders. Grouping by sport seems better to him. User corrections are stored as constraints and maintained for subsequent queries. When the user asks for hockey medals after 2004, the system remembers that the user meant ice hockey and is interested in silver medals. Then the user modifies the query by adding by country, and DataTone remembers his preference to color by sport. In this case, he wants to color by country and see a line chart. In a comparative evaluation, users reported that they could easily construct visualizations and do exploratory data analysis with DataTone.